In this video, I'll show you how to auto-generate shorts videos using NotebookLM. Now, for starters, NotebookLM is now being called Gemini Notebook. So please take a note of that. And for this particular video, I'm going to be trying to see if it can actually auto-generate a short video for this video that I have right here. So what do you need to do? The website is still notebooklm.google, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to click on Try Gemini Notebook right there, and once it loads up, it's going to show you some featured notebooks right here, and then a couple of notebooks you've used or created before. For this video, I'm going to click on Create New, and here is where you actually populate your sources. Now, for this one, as I've mentioned, I'm not going to look for the web sources or upload anything. I'm going to go to a website, and I'll just select this URL. There's a YouTube URL here for that particular video, and just click on websites and then paste that link and then click on insert right there. So the sources are coming in here, and what has happened is that this particular video has been automatically transcribed right there, and you can see more or less of a quick summary of what is actually going on right there. You get to see more or less of an overview of what this is about. This instructional video demonstrates how to use PDF Gear software to combine separate digital documents into a single file at no cost, and then mentions the presenter and all that. So of importance to us is to see, can we actually make this into a shorts video? One thing I don't do on my YouTube channel is I don't create shorts videos. I think I have like 3 shorts videos because my videos are more or less tutorial based, and you need to be systematic in what you do. So let me see what sort of short video I'm going to get. So I'm actually going to go now to video overview, click on this right here, and once you do that, because I'm on the free account, I'm only going to see explainer and short. So, and this is a bite-sized overview to help you quickly grasp core ideas from your sources. I'll click on that. Once I click on that, it actually asks you a couple of things. What should you focus on? Merging PDFs, using PDF Gear tool, or free PDF management? Let's say merging PDF right there. That is what we do. Or you can also insert your own custom topic. Once you're satisfied with your selections, just click on generate. Once I click on generate, you'll actually see a generating short video overview right here. Now, depending on the number of sources you have right here and the customizations that you'd like for your short video, this may take a while, but we're going to try and see what sort of quality we're going to get from that short video right there, and then how we can more or less, if it actually gives me a good result, I might consider uploading shorts on my YouTube channel moving forward, and then just using maybe dubbing the voice into my voice, because what happens with the shorts videos created in NotebookLM is that they are or produced using some AI voiceover, which is really good. But let's just give it a couple of seconds and see what short video we're going to get from NotebookLM. Once NotebookLM is done generating our short video for us, you're going to see a short video right here, and you can see the duration. It's a short and it's from one source. You can click on these 3 dots right here to share, rename, download, or view prompt and sources. You can also delete it, but let's click on this particular play button here to play it. Oh, it's loading up.
You can combine multiple PDFs into one for free using PDF Gear, but how do you control the exact order? Say you have 2 completely separate files, a dense text document and a multi-page visual report. To bring them together, open the PDF Gear dashboard and select the dedicated Merge PDF tool. When you select and load your files into the staging area, they might import backward. If you just hit Merge right now, your final document is going to read completely out of sequence. To fix this, you need to look at the directional controls next to your primary file. Just click the up arrow to force that visual report right to the top of the queue. Now that your exact layout is locked in, give the file a new name and click Merge. The software immediately processes your custom ordered queue, taking those separate items and permanently fusing them into one complete file. And those two completely separate files are now one seamless document, perfectly ordered from the very first page to the end.
It's done a really, really good job in all this. So I would give it a prop and actually download this. Let's say you wanted to use it somewhere, maybe upload it somewhere, maybe just do a voice dubbing in your own voice or your own voice clone so that it actually adheres to what you're doing. So in that case, it's something I would actually add in my short section if that is something I'm into. And one thing I'd like you to appreciate is that this is coming with a logo.
You can combine multiple PDFs into one.
It's coming with the logo. Let's go full screen. Has the logo somewhere here.
Select and load your files into the staging area.
You can take a note of that. We have the logo here, and you can use something like Filmora to remove this particular logo right here. I hope this video is of value to you, and that is how you can automatically make shorts videos using NotebookLM or Gemini Notebook. Thanks for watching.